Ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ka Agatha Sangma ha ka khandai trik jemang kalaban jor halor ka jingdan kam bandan ka jinghikai ka bakham khlan na ka benta ki khna kinthei bat ka jinga trilang banya dana ki khap ka jingsha e no ben ki khna ha ka jila ha bakdo halor ka jingjia badang shen ha ka ba ka wei ka long kme kala e no ela I jong I khun ka Agatha kala ong ba ka commission bat ka District Child Protection Unit kila shim kya bha halor kani na kalyang ka commission ngila shim kya bha ya kani ka kam ki dikhot jongi ki badai na ribhoi district kila let dala de banya kendo ya ka long yeng kala ong ka DCPU kila trishitom bha bat wan shakmat ban penthikna ban ai ka jinga selok ya ki long kmi ke ba e no ya la ki jong ki khun ren kani ka de ke badai ka jing persyang lang ka badan kam ban le na kalyang jong baro ken thop ya kilat thai ka bor kala ong happen mi e ki jing pen sngo tho pat ka jing pule ka ba kham bha ka long ka badan kam mi ki khna kan the ka Agatha ka panya so ya ka jinga dei samla ha karta ka badan khna bat ka jingduna ha kilyang ka pule puthi ki babon ki khna kan the kim sngo tho ya ka dor jong jing pule bat kla don banta no ha ki jinga dei samla kala ong ka jing pen khlan ya ka rukam hikai jongi bat ban penlong ya ka jing hikai ka bakham kan thop lang na ka bantai ki khna kan thei jongi ka long ka bakong san bha ban pen thikna ba ki khna kan thei kin pendap ya ka kam shong kha shongman ha karta ka bala byang ha ka bakin la ban sumar ya la de bat ya ka yeng ka sam habakhat ya ka te ka jingja badang shen ka basngo si shibun ka Agatha kala ong kani ka ka jingja ka bakarpang ha ka bakakme ka badan ha ka jingklumar jingmon bat jingtieng kala shim ya ka te ka rai ka kermen shisha ba ka rukam trekam ka bakan thup lang khnang ban la ban shim ki rai ka commission kam pat dan ya ka jingthmu ban pantre kam ki sin jam ki bakarpang ya manta hi kumba ka long manta ngimpat shim ya ka rai kani ka ka wei ni ki case ka badang shujia hindre la da kan poisha uput ba shirkhei kumtangin haban shim mi ki sin jam kala ong halor ki jingshim bishar jong an kala ka doye ki jingkala jong ki an ha ka baya de bat ki jinga de samla ki baya manjar lang
Commission side, we have been very proactive as well, and our member who belongs to the Boy district, she has personally gone and met the families as well. The DCPUs have been very active and forthcoming in ensuring that counselling is being given to the mothers who have been abandoning their children. So they have been going through counselling as well. So this is something which is a collective effort that needs to be done from everybody's side, including the press yourselves. So I think it's something where awareness has to be generated, and better education is important for the girls. A lot of young girls are not understanding the value of good education, and thereby they get involved in early relationships. So I think strengthening our education system and making education more inclusive for the girl child is very important to ensure that girls get married at a appropriate age where they can take care of themselves and their families. See, in this is a very specific case where the mother panicked. She was a young mother, she panicked and she took that decision. So it's very unfortunate, and I really hope that the system in general becomes more inclusive so that they feel more empowered to be able to take better decisions.
Will you be doing any study on the such cases and to
As of now, we have not decided. This is a one-off case that has happened. But if it gets at an alarming rate, then we definitely will have to look into it. Well, that is something that the legal department, you will have to talk to the legal side, because conviction takes place from their end. We can only assist. So, in fact, the High Court has taken a very serious note of this, and now the Romeo and Juliet cases are not being categorized in the POCSO cases, and acquittal is taking place, and counseling is being given to couples rather than putting them in a case where they are not necessarily a POCSO case, except for the fact that they are minors. Of course, they should not, but the support of the families is very important, and if they are put under POCSO, then obviously complications take place. So the court is trying to make sure that these cases do not come under POCSO. We
Legal
are
work.
in the Child Commission, so basically that would be something that the Women's Commission will be able to tell you, especially cases regarding cases against women, or where women are involved. In POCSO cases, as just earlier, one of our resource persons, Mr. Biplab was telling us that 80% conviction is taking place and cases are being sort of completed.